Hey, before we start off, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Now let's continue with this video. In this video, I want to explain how you can add drawings to the chart. First, you have to go to the fourth option in the left menu over here. If you hover over the arrow to the right, you can see geometric shapes. Now I have already the right icon over here, but if that's not the case, just click on the arrow and then you see a couple of options. You need to select the brush option by clicking on it, and now you can add drawings to the chart, for example like this. And if I have one drawing done, then you see as long as this icon is blue, I can add new drawings like that. But if I now click with the right mouse button on the chart, you see that this icon is not blue anymore, so then I can do the regular things again. So let's say if I want to change the appearance of the lines, just double click on it. Now you see it's set to green, but you can also make it white or blue or purple or whatever color you like. So you can change it. You can add background to it if you want to, so it becomes like this. That's how you add drawings to the chart. So if you want to delete it, you can just select delete. You can always hit Ctrl Z or Command Z to undo the last changes. And if you want to delete all the drawings in one time, then you go to the trash bin over here, to the trash can. Then you click on the arrow to the right, and now you can see a couple of options. In this case, I want to remove 4 drawings like this, and now they're all gone. That's how it works. Play around with it. I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and I hope to see you back again in another video.